let's just move ahead to the next question, which is question number 4. Now see, our question number 4 is saying, let me just scroll this thing again here for you. See, our question number 4 is saying, let's just discuss its credential, like to which part it belongs to. Let's just discuss that. I'll take a pause here. Yeah, uh, resuming my recording. Okay, now see, this question number 4 belongs to, of course, the algebra module. Okay, and as I said, there were so many questions which belongs to the algebra and the advanced math part. Okay, and from the algebra, it belongs to the quadratic equation. Of course, it do. Why so? Because see, just have a look on this equation. Is it a quadratic equation or not? Of course, that's a quadratic equation. Okay, and the level is mentioned as hard, but do not worry, whenever it is mentioned as hard, so definitely it's not a difficult question, it's a tricky question. Okay, so you have to apply some tricks here. Okay, so let's just proceed with this question number 4. Now see, one equation is mentioned for us. Okay, and the question is asking, how many distinct real solution for m does the given equation have? Okay, that means the question is already saying that it will have real solution, but it is asking how many real solution it is having. Okay, so how to proceed with this? First of all, just simplify this expression. So see, I'll have the expression m minus 2 square equals to minus 60. Okay, now let's just open this. So I have m minus 2, so it will become m square plus 4 minus 4m equals to minus 60. Okay, now let's just take all of them at one side. So I'll be having m square minus 4m plus 20 equals to 0. See, because this minus 16 will move to left hand side, so 4 plus 16, that will become 20. Okay, now the question is saying this will have the real solution. Okay, real solution means what? First of all, you should check the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, because see, on the value of this b square minus 4ac, we can say whether it will have a real solution, or if it is a real one, so whether it will have the distinct one or it will have the equal roots. Okay, or even if it can have the imaginary roots. Okay, so in order to find like how many real solutions are there, what you need to check? You need to check the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay, now let's just find out our b square minus 4ac. So b square is what? Minus 4 square. Okay, minus 4 into a. A is what? 1 and c is what? 20. Okay, now let's just simplify this thing. So it will be 16 minus 80. Okay, now I'm not going to simplify this thing. Okay, so 16 minus 80, you tell me it will come as a negative number or not? Okay, and if it is a negative number, so can I say it will be less than 0? Okay, so that means what? My b square minus 4ac, and let me just erase this equals to sign from here. See, my b square minus 4ac would be less than 0. Okay, and if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so what does it remains? It means it will have the imaginary roots. So if this function is having imaginary roots, so can I say it will not have any real root? Okay, and if it is not having any real root, so can't I mark this option D as the correct one, that it will not have any real root? Why so? Because the discriminant, this b square minus 4ac, is coming out as negative only. That is why it will have the imaginary roots. Okay, so I hope this simple question number 4 is clear to everyone. Anyone having any doubt in this? See, again, that question was not at all difficult, it was just tricky. Okay, that you have to relate this thing with this discriminant part. So that was the trick. Okay,